Magas. Hey, Magas. Nino. Magas. Anna. Hey, Magas. Happy Magas. Pipi. Are Pipi. Magas. Good morning. Kalimera. Kalimera from Anna and from Magas. And from Vaso. Kalimera, Vaso. So this is Magas. You remember that when I put Diaz on his area, he was scared. So I did a lot of changes. The last hours, I did a lot of changes. Look at Magas' tail now. What a difference from the last video. He was so scared. Now look at him. He's so happy. Magas and Anna. Anna. So we have a new area here. It's really hot. The weather is really hot, and we have to take care of the dogs. We have to make a lot of changes now the summertime. So Magas is in this area. This is a new area. Rocky is in this area. Pipis is in this new area. Anna is in this new area. Magas again. Boz also. And look here how cool it is for the dogs. And especially for older dogs like Anna and Magas. We also have a room here. Hey, Spitha. Spithas is in this room with Faith. Bozo is so happy he destroyed the blankets. Susie, the other girl. The girl people found abandoned in the roads. Susie. She's so lovely, so cute. You can see how gentle she is. And Pipis is so happy here. Pipi. So this is a room for the dogs also. And they have an air conditioner here. So when it's getting hotter, we close the doors, we close the windows, we leave the small door open, and all the dogs, they come in the air condition. And they are so happy. Micho, Bozo, Spithas, Maria, Tommy, Rocky, Booby, Mimi, Nino, they was all in the house. They was all in the house, so now we move them in this area. So I will show you again. This is a room. This is a room for the dogs with air condition. When it's getting hotter, we close the windows and the door and we leave the small door open. It's so cool and all of them are inside. Hey, Pipi, he's so happy here, Pipi. And Faith, beautiful Faith. And Spithas, Bozo, naughty Bozo. And outside here, you can see what's going on. Anna, Nino, Magas. It's a beautiful area. Water is running down all the time. Happy Magas, happy Susie. And this is really good idea to keep the place cool here, this one. Okay, now I will update you about Diaz. I will show you where is Diaz now. So this is the new area. You saw Magas, and Magas is happy with Anna there. Κοπέλα μου. Κοπέλα μου. And this is a new area we are making ready now for Nala. This is one new area we are making ready for Nala. We have still a lot of work to do, but this area will be for Nala. Charlie, I will show you where is Diaz now. Here is Diaz. Hey Diaz, τι είναι αγόρι μου. You are a lovely guy, yeah? You are a lovely boy, Diaz. So here is Diaz. Diaz is about 2 years old. 2, maximum 3, 2.5 years old. He's a lovely guy. I will find a solution for him. Even if he make me suffer so much in the shelter, I will find a solution. At the moment, he's in this area alone. He has this big tree here to have a shade. And down here, so here is alone. Diaz is alone here. Beauty has his peace again. And this is Rocky, the guy who was in a problem with Diaz yesterday. Rocky. Nothing to worry about Rocky. He has nothing. He has nothing happened. Rocky. Έλα αγόρι μου. Come to say hi. Έλα Rocky. He's following the food. He's doing really well. He had a small little wound, just a little wound, nothing to worry about. There is Rocky. A beauty. Hermes. This is a dog they throw. This is Snowy playing with Beauty. Snowy playing with Beauty. This is a dog that somebody throw inside in the shelter from the fence. I haven't posted about him yet. They throw him behind the fence. So this group is back to normal now. If Diaz will come here, it will be a mess again. So my plan is for Diaz to be on his private area. Of course, I will take him for a walk. I will take him in this big area and outside for some walks. And Tuesday he will go to be neutered, spayed, whatever. So he will come down and I will train him. So everything is okay now. After when I move him in the, when I move Diaz on his private place. Rocky! And Rocky is doing good. Snow is playing with the others, with Bella, Beauty, Hermes. Let's go back to see Diaz a little more again. He's already more calm. Dia, αγόρι μου. Τι είναι? Hey, Dia. He's beautiful. He's more calm already. I will train him. I hope we can find a home for Diaz. He's amazing. Can you imagine if you have a big garden to have him outside there? Your best friend forever. So calm, so lovely. Well, he's an active dog, but calm, I mean, he's not making, he don't want to fight. He don't want to fight. He wants to play. He's just a strong boy. He wants to play. Okay, so this is the update about Diaz, about the new area, about Magas, about Anna, Beauty, Rocky. Now I have to go because I have so much work to do. No workers on Sunday here, so I have to run. If somebody wants to adopt this beautiful boy, send us a message, please. Bye-bye for now. Yasas. Have a peaceful Sunday. Peaceful Sunday. Bye-bye. Weather is really hot here. Yasas.